way your tool, the Orite tool is designed, that I mean, even if you're not into coding, and it is just drag and drop, and it's a matter of few days that my team at Vashi was able to get used to it, and they were able to make their own design their own conversation flow with very little support required by your team. Through the WhatsApp conversation medium, we still have fields inside the bot which collects the data, and that is available to us for marketing purpose. Like the way there are web forms, WhatsApp has a conversation based form through which the same can be achieved. If I compare it to what it was before, it is at least, I would say, 5% of the time of what it used to take us before we had the bot implemented. We separately track the business that has come through leads that come in from a digital platform. So we right. Consider web, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger. So these are our digital platform initiatives. So all leads that come in from that platform, we track them separately, and we are seeing that the turnaround, the conversion ratio of this platform is improving over the last 2 months. The first phase, when we moved through this implementation, our objective was that the email, the telephonic conversations that the customers were used to, things like, do you have something in stock? What is the status of my order? Who is the sales guy from your company who's associated with me? Can I have his mobile number? Very, very basic questions. If he had a customer service issue, he wanted to give a feedback about something. So we listed around 8-10 of such questions, and we decided to move all of them onto WhatsApp. And we found it to be extremely useful because it brought down the telephone calls that we received by over 20%. It increased our inquiries from clients, because WhatsApp is such an intuitively easy tool that everybody is used to in India now. We found that inquiries went up by over 10%, and everything was just at a click of a button.